Hello, Chef here once again in one of the kitchens, and here we go. We're cooking steaks in a hot frying pan. This is a non-stick pan with a special coating. I'm using non-stick tongs. We're searing the steaks. Let them cook. Okay, the steaks are about halfway done, and now I'm adding these awesome tornado mushrooms to the pan. Okay, at this point I'm turning over the mushrooms. Wow, they look really good. Move these steaks around a little bit. And I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of brandy. I've also added 2 ounces of water. Yeah, now that's a perfect steak. Let the steak rest for a few minutes. Okay, we're going to be slicing these steaks. Oh, look at that beautiful color. Hello, Chef here once again. I've got a video for you here. This is a hunter sauce, which has some of the sliced mushrooms, a little bit of tomato, garlic, onion, beef stock. It's been simmering, natural reduction. I do a quick taste and adjust the seasoning. Okay. Yeah, very good. Touch more salt. And we're going to add just a little bit of slurry here to thicken it. Not much, just a little bit like this. Wow, excellent. Okay, Chef here plating up this steak. First I've got some fresh asparagus, looking good. Got this amazing looking steak right here. There we go. Okay. Got some of this awesome hunter sauce that I tossed together. Watch the other videos and you can pick up on this hunter sauce. The recipe's pretty easy. And of course, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and have a beautiful day. This is a 5.5, 6.5 inch Santoku knife. Very cool, very nice. Snaps in place. This magnetic block's very strong, very good design. You can pull it off, easily see which one you want, put it in a different spot. You can move them around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knives. And a big one in the back. However, I'm saving the back spot for this awesome fish slicer. Look at this thing. Wow. This has got a 10-inch blade. Wicked cool. Perfectly balanced. I like it. Look at this blade. Yeah. It's a total of 57 layers, I believe. This one will go right back here. Very cool. You can build a huge set of these, and this magnetic block works great. Semicircle's nice too. Against the wall, in the middle of a kitchen, wherever you want to put it. It's nice. It's a very nice setup and good design. Okay, when I oil a cutting board, I like to shake up the oil. It has some beeswax in there. And just give it a squeeze like this, circular motion. And I use a plastic bag squished up. This is the best way that I've found to oil the cutting board.